Yoga every day. Yoga is becoming increasingly popular, and many people are doing it every day. They do it to make their bodies healthier, more balanced, and to feel better inside and out. In this video, I will explain what will happen to your body if you practice yoga daily. So, make sure to watch the whole video because it's going to be fascinating. Let's get started! Yoga benefits. Yoga is more than just exercise. It's a unique way of living that helps you find balance in both your body and mind, uncover hidden abilities, and enhance your overall well-being. It's not only about physical training but also involves working with your thoughts and feelings to improve yourself spiritually. Scientific research has proven that practicing yoga regularly has many health benefits. Yoga can enhance your posture and spine health. By fixing spine problems and nerve issues, it can alleviate back and neck pain. This in turn can improve lung capacity and enhance blood circulation to your organs. Yoga also helps regulate hormone levels, boost pancreatic and thyroid functions, and address issues in the reproductive system. Yoga makes your body more flexible and agile by increasing the elasticity of your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It can normalize your cardiovascular system by promoting deep breathing, which provides more oxygen to your organs and stabilizes your heart rate. Additionally, yoga can boost your immune system by encouraging lymph movement, making it easier to fend off infections and lower the risk of developing cancer. In a nutshell, yoga isn't just about physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Yoga for weight loss. Yoga can help you lose weight and look better. It does this by making your whole body's muscles stronger, boosting your metabolism, and improving your digestion. When you do yoga, it affects your body in many ways that lead to weight loss. Yoga involves doing various poses that require you to tense up all your muscles, even the deep ones. This muscle activity helps your body burn fat. Plus, while you're doing yoga, your stress hormone, cortisol, goes down. Cortisol is linked to storing extra fat around your belly, so when it decreases, you're less likely to put on weight in that area. If you practice dynamic and power yoga, along with special breathing techniques, it can improve your metabolism and make you lose weight faster. These effects can last a long time, helping you maintain your weight loss. Yoga benefits for women. Yoga has several advantages for women's health. It can help regulate the menstrual cycle, ease premenstrual symptoms, and reduce discomfort during menopause. Yoga is also beneficial for reducing migraine headaches, lessening their pain and how often they occur. Furthermore, it can boost your sex drive and provide relief from menstrual pain. Yoga benefits for men. Yoga offers advantages for men's well-being too. Some yoga poses can stimulate the prostate and improve blood flow in the pelvic area, which can be good for potency. Yoga also activates the adrenal glands and testicles, leading to increased production of testosterone, a hormone important for men's health and vitality. Yoga benefits for mental health. Yoga isn't just about improving your body. It also helps your mind. Unlike regular exercise, which focuses on physical health, yoga can bring you a sense of calm and peace in your mind. It's often used as a treatment for people dealing with mental issues like depression and trouble sleeping. The yoga poses and meditation can help you relax, boost your self-confidence, and ease feelings of anxiety, fear, and anger. Basic rules for yoga. Here are some important things to remember when you do yoga. First, focus on your breathing while you practice. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose, and make sure your inhales and exhales are the same length. Controlling your breath is a big part of yoga. Second, try to stay focused on your body and feelings, and don't let your mind wander to other thoughts. If you feel discomfort or pain in your joints or back, it's okay to stop the exercise. Third, don't push yourself too hard. Your muscles should be active enough to keep your body balanced, but don't strain them. Fourth, it's best to practice yoga on an empty stomach. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes after eating before you start. Fifth, if you're new to yoga, start with 20 minutes and gradually work your way up to 60 minutes. The most important thing is to do the exercises correctly and breathe properly, not how long you do them. Sixth, you can practice every day or every other day, depending on your schedule and how you feel. Seventh, practicing in the morning is ideal, but if that doesn't work for you, any time of day is fine. What matters most is being consistent with your practice. And don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. See you soon!